Hi learners, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we'll do the part 3 and that we'll see exercise 5.2, that is simplify the following. Now this is the question given here. So you can see this is the base and this is called the index or the power. So for this one you can see the base is the same. So you know for this one the rule is a raised to m into a raised to n, that is going to be a raised to m plus n. So what are you going to do? This base you will write the same. So this is m and this is n. So that is going to be 9 plus 11, which is going to be 20. So we can write here 2 raised to 20. Now again here you can see the base is minus 3 and this is the power. So this is the base, you will keep same, and this you are going to add, that is m and n. So that will be 4 plus 3, which is going to be 7. Here you can see 3 numbers and there is a multiplication in between. So again here the base is the same, so you'll write the base same and you are going to add the powers. So that will be 2 plus 3 plus 4, which is going to be 9. So we'll write a 15 raised to 9. Again here the same, the base is the same, so you'll write a minus 7. This is the power. So 5 plus 8 plus 3. So this is going to be 13 plus 3, which is going to be 16. Now here you can see in between these two numbers there is a division sign. So for this one we will write a raised to m divided by a raised to n, which is going to be a raised to m minus n. So what will you do? You will keep the base the same and this you are going to subtract it. So 11 minus 4, which is going to be 7. So you will write here 10 raised to 7. Again here the same, the base is the same and this is the division sign, means you are going to subtract it. So 25 minus 19, which is going to be 6. So minus 7 raised to 6. Again here the same, so this will be 1. So base is the same, which is 5, and that will be, this is a division sign, means 16 minus 1, which is going to be 15. So 5 is to 15. Again here the base is the same. So this is a division sign. So you are going to subtract this one. 41 minus 24, which is going to be 17. So you can write a minus 3 raised to 17. Again here the base we can see the same. This is a division sign. So we can put 90 minus 18. 80, that is going to be 10. So we'll write a z raised to 10. Here there is a division sign, base same. So minus p raised to, subtract the powers, 125 minus 100, which is going to be 25. So this is actually very small. Here this exercise is very small. So I don't want to continue with the next exercise, but the next exercise will be in the next video. So I'll end this one over here for today. So do like and subscribe to my channel so you get a notification of the other parts. Thank you.